In this video, I will show you how to make a sticker on Snapchat. So let's jump straight into it. So here we are. As you can see, I'm currently here on Snapchat on the camera screen. Now to go ahead and make a sticker, you can do this on your own snaps. So for example, if I take a picture of my mouse just over here, once you've taken a picture, what you want to do is come and press onto the scissors icon on the right hand side. And once you've done that, you're going to see it says make a sticker. Outline an object with your finger to make a sticker. So what we can do is actually draw a line around what we want to turn into a sticker, like so. And as you can see, we've gone ahead and made our sticker. Now, once you've made your stickers, as you can see, it's going to come up on the right hand side where you saved your stickers. So you can press onto this and you're actually going to find your sticker in here. So if you press onto this and press onto the scissor icon at the top, you're going to find your stickers here. So we can add this to our snaps just like so. So that's how to make a sticker on Snapchat. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.